Sir.
Good morning, students. How are everybody? I think everybody is fine. After a long time, I started our online class. In class 7, subject English first paper. Do you know likes and dislikes? I think everybody knows what is like. Like means that everybody wants to do something pleasurably. It is likes and it is now. And what do you mean by dislike? Dislikes means hate, disfavor or distaste. And if any person who does not like to do anything pleasurably, it is dislikes. And suppose you think there are 4 members in your family, your father, mother, your younger brother and you. Your father likes hearing music, but he dislikes cooking. But your mother likes cooking, but he dislikes washing clothes. And your your younger or elder, you may say anything. He likes playing football, but he does not like reading. But you like reading, but you do not like singing. So, what may be our topics? Our topics likes and dislikes. It is you find Unit 8, Lesson 1. Open page number 85 in your book, textbook. That means our topics Unit 8 likes and dislikes. Lesson 1, Part C. Here we find page number 85. You can see about Kavita's likes and dislikes. Read the passage silently and listen to me what I am saying. Just I am reading aloudly. Hello, I am Kavita. I am a class 7 student of Sundarpur High School. I like listening to music in my free time. You can see. At first, we can select some important or new words from the passage, like students, new words, third new words, listening, means head. Classical. Classical. Standard form. Standard form or style. pop music. Appeal to the teenagers. Which belongs rock and roll. Emotions. Feeling. That's one. Edu. Love something deeply. Okay, come to the point. Now, see the passage and read it silently and hear my speech. Just I am reading it loudly. Hello, I am Kobita. I am a class 7 student of Sundarpur High School. I like listening to music in my free time. What do you mean by free time? Free time means leisure free hour. I like folk songs, but I don't understand classical music that much. Here we can see that Kobita likes folk song, but she does not like classical music. However, my father likes classical music very much, but her father, Kobita's father, likes classical music, but he does not like pop music at all. Here we can divide it what he likes, liking and disliking of his father and he. Likes, dislikes. Kobita he likes folk song. Folk song. Dislikes classical music. Her father like classical music. Does not like pop music. Next, come to the basis. He never watches pop musical programs on TV. He means her father. He says he hates them because they don't appeal to emotions. Emotion means passion or feeling. My favorite singer is Farida Parveen. Who is favorite singer? Kavita's favorite singer is Farida Parveen. I like her song very much. She has a wonderful voice. Wonderful means surprising. I also like gardening. It's her hobby. I have planted many flowers in my garden. That means Kavita does gardening in her free time and she has planted many flowers in her garden. When the flowers are in full bloom, I love to watch them. I means Kavita love to watch them. When the flowers are in full bloom, I love to watch them. I am very happy. Here, apostrophe M means M. I am very happy about the flowers that I grow. Grow means to generate. I just adore them. Adore means love something deeply. That means Kavita loves flower very much. From the passage, we can see that likes and dislikes Kavita and her father. Kavita likes folk song and she does not like classical music. But her father likes classical music. He does not like pop music. So, from the passage, we can see and we can learn about likes and dislikes. So, from this class, our passage, your homework will be about likes and dislikes. You will have to write a paragraph about liking and disliking. Okay, have a nice day. Goodbye, everybody.